Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cake lollipops. Begin by crumbling cooled cake into a bowl and measure crumbs. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of frosting per cup of crumbs and mix until dough holds together. Form uniform balls using a small scoop, then chill them to set. Prepare dipping chocolate and decorations while the cake balls firm up in the fridge for a smoother coating and cleaner finish. In this video, I will show how to make cake lollipops. After mixing, portion the mixture with a small scoop for consistent size and weight. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, compressing lightly so it holds shape. Insert sticks halfway in place on a lined tray, then chill for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Chilling ensures the stick stays put and the coating sets cleanly without pulling the cake apart. In this video, I will show how to make cake lollipops. Melt your coating until silky, then cool slightly to avoid melting the cake interior. Dip each chilled lollipop, tapping off excess coating and rotating to smooth the surface. Work quickly to add sprinkles, edible glitter, or drizzles before the coating sets. Stand lollipops upright in a holder until fully hardened, then store in an airtight container to keep them fresh and crisp for serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.